Hey there, tech heads. Welcome back to TechPhD, where we talk about everything tech for everyone. And as you can probably tell from the setup, today's video is a little bit different because I'm testing out the ultimate, very nice car just passed. Nice car. Testing out the ultimate budget vlogging setup. So if you're a vlogger and you're looking for a good handheld tripod, microphone, and everything else that you're gonna need for good vlogs, this is the video to watch. So as you can probably tell, I'm walking along a pretty busy street, lots of cars passing, lots of people talking, and I will just be showing you the rest of my day because it's already pretty late in the day. Okay, so the microphone is attached to the handheld tripod and attached to my phone as well, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So that's where you're getting all of this video footage from. Now, the audio is also coming from the microphone, which I have attached the wind muffler or the dead cat to. So let me know what you think about the audio. I will not edit this part of the audio, but probably later in the video, the audio will be edited. Now, that's a lot of my rambling said. Stay tuned. I'll take you around my city a little bit, and we'll see. Alright, so when you open up the first box, you get this hard shell case with PowerDeWise written all over it. When you open that up, you get all of the microphone gear put in there. Now we're going to put that aside and focus on the lamp. Opening up the package, we have this LED lamp and the USB-C cable that is used to charge it. Then we have the external sound card adapter in case you want to record on the mic using your computer. Now going back to the hard shell case, we have the handheld tripod here, which is actually really high quality. It feels very nice and very sturdy. Next up, we have the phone mount or the phone holder, which is adjustable by just pulling it. And then we have the microphone itself. It's the shotgun configuration and it is quite small and compact. Moving on, we have a curly cable or a curled cable for connecting the mic to your camera and a straight cable for connecting the mic to your phone. We also have some accessories like a microfiber cloth, a greeting card, and a dead cat or a wind muffler in case you want to vlog outside. We also have the attachment to mount the microphone onto your smartphone or camera. Alright guys, so now I'm headed to a store outlet to pick up some packages basically. Some of them are for the channel, some of them are for some other things and so you will see them when they show up on the channel. Now, one thing I really love about this vlogging kit is just how modular it is. So the microphone can either mount directly to the phone holder, or you can mount the lamp first and then mount the microphone on top of that. So you have everything you need in this one convenient package, which is pretty awesome. Okay, and if for some reason you get to a very dimly lit environment like this, for example, that is where the lamp comes in. So you just reach up and switch it on, and voila, completely transforms your vlogging experience. If I take my glasses off, so the reflections don't bother me that much, you can see clear as day. And the lamp has several adjustable brightnesses. If I can just find the button. Well, it's advisable that you set up your brightness preference beforehand because it's a little bit difficult to find. 1 second. Where is that? Okay, yeah, finally found the button. So yeah, as you can see, so you can increase or decrease your brightness as you prefer. It's all up to you. So basically, this is my pick for the perfect budget vlogging setup of 2021. All the devices that are used in this video will be linked in the description box right below. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section right below the like button. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video as well. And with that said, you stay cool, stay safe, wear your mask as always, and I'll catch you in the next Tech PhD production. Peace.